Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delightful treats in store for you. First is the crispy corn. It's the perfect appetizer or snacks and I promise you're gonna love it. If you're using fresh corn, cook it in a boiling water for about 5 minutes, then drain and let it cool. If you're using frozen or canned corns, make sure it's drained and is at room temperature. Now let's get into the preparation. In a mixing bowl, combine the corn, gram flour, corn flour, red chili powder, pepper, garam masala, coriander powder and a pinch of salt with little water. Mix everything until the corn is well coated with the flour mix. Heat the oil in a pan for deep frying. Make sure it's hot enough. Carefully drop the coated corn into the hot oil. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy, which should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now remove the crispy corn from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Your crispy corn is ready, but we are not done yet. For the extra flavor, you can sprinkle some chaat masala or a squeeze of lemon juice. It adds a burst of flavor that you won't be able to resist. And next we have the delicious and healthy recipe, that's corn salad. It's the perfect blend of freshness and flavor, making it an excellent side dish or a light meal. For this, in a large bowl, combine the corn, tomato, onion, salt, ginger powder, lemon juice and pepper. You can even use feta cheese. Crumble it over the top of the salad for an extra burst of flavor and creaminess. And here, your salad is ready to serve. It's a freshening and versatile dish that's perfect for picnics, barbecues or just a quick healthy meal. And next we have something exciting and unique on the menu. That's corn ribs. These flavorful vegan friendly ribs are going to change the way you think about corn. This simple recipe is going to transform the ordinary corn into a finger licking treat. In a bowl, combine the corn, oil, ginger powder, pepper, chili powder, salt according to your requirement. This will be our flavor packed seasoning mix. Ensure that they are evenly coated on all the sides. We'll prepare the garlic oil. For that, we'll heat the butter and oil and add in our garlic into it until it turns golden brown. Preheat your pan to medium-high heat. Place the seasoned corn ribs on the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until they develop those lovely grill marks and become tender. And serve your corn ribs hot with your favorite barbecue sauce for dipping. And yes, don't forget to add the garlic oil on those fantastic corn ribs. They're smoky and absolutely addictive. Serve them as an appetizer, a side dish or even a main course. These little ribs are going to be a hit at your next barbecue or any gathering. Last but not the least, we are going to delight your taste buds with a mouth-watering recipe. That's corn masala. It's a delicious aromatic dish that's perfect as a side dish. So let's dive right in. Heat butter in a pan on medium heat. Add pepper, salt, chili powder and the corn kernels and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. And your corn masala is ready to serve. These recipes are easy and simple and will give your corn the perfect blend of flavors. I hope you give these recipes a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you for joining me today and I hope I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. And as always, stay tuned for more tasty recipes right here on Cuckoo. Happy cooking! Bye bye!